Hi guys, this is Gayatri Mandre. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. So if you haven't checked my first video, go check now and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So here I am with my second video, which is what is born on Instagram and how did I get this huge box. Oops, sorry, it's Ulta. So first, what is Born on Instagram? Born on Instagram is a program which is conducted by the Instagram team for the content creators. Okay, so Born on Instagram was supposed to be a actual meeting, like a physical meeting to creators and attend the program, but due to the COVID, we all know what happened. It happened virtually in Zoom meeting, obviously. After I attended Born on Instagram programs, I learned a lot about Instagram. The Instagram team helped us so much. They taught us how to read the insights, they taught us how to be consistent on Instagram, how to grow on Instagram, and etc. Everything about Instagram. Also, we are honored to meet such a big creators like Ashna Shroff, Prajakta Kohli, Be Unique, and recently we just made Damn Fam members like Ashi Khanna, Manav Chabra, Unnati, and Tanzil Khan. So I really appreciate Born on Instagram for such a great opportunity. So recently Born on Instagram collaborated with Lakme, which is Lakme X Born on Instagram. I participated and I got shortlisted out of 600 people. Then I got this huge box of Lakme. Which contains all Lakme products. Like, this is such an huge opportunity for me to create content. I know this was given by me Lakme 2 months back, but I just created a YouTube channel. I wanted to let you guys know about the Born on Instagram campaign because you shouldn't miss this opportunity as a small content creator like us. I'm making this video now. I know it's kind of late. Okay, this Lakme campaign is not live. The sessions were ended by 11th of May, so you cannot participate in this program for now, but let you guys know about this Born on Instagram campaigns when it reopens in my Instagram stories. So please follow me and stay tuned in my Instagram stories because this last year, this time I was attending the sessions of Born on Instagram, so I don't want you guys to miss this amazing opportunity. So please stay tuned and follow me on Instagram and also subscribe to my channel. So coming to the part of Lakme sessions. Lakme sessions was started on April to May 11. There were 6 sessions and each session there was a huge celebrity, like a huge content creator we met. The Lakme X Born on Instagram session was super fun. They all told us about skincare, makeup tricks, lighting and background, how to shoot a product professionally, and etc. That was a super fun sessions. Also, you can check Lakme X Born on Instagram hashtag so that you all can see the content we guys created on that hashtag. You all can see what we learned on that hashtag. So go and check out that hashtag. There were so many posts. Okay, let's go and see the box. This box contains all the Lakme products, skincare and also makeup. I'm going to tell you guys in this video about all the skincare products I received in this box. Talking about the Lakme brand, you know this brand is so old and popular. We all love this brand. Have some affordable products we still use in our daily life. Okay, I cannot stop complimenting this brand Lakme because I love this brand so much. So let's go and see the products. First product is the Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Face Wash. This face wash is so great. I mean, it's a normal face wash, does not reduce your acne or pimples and pigmentation. This is a normal face wash which removes dirt, impurities from pollution. Also, this is amazing skin lightening. I mean, you can immediately see effect on your face, like skin immediately glows after washing your face with this face wash. This is like 160 rupees. It's good for all types of skin, so anyone can use this, even men can use this. So don't worry about your skin will have a side effects or what so not, but this is amazing for just a normal use. Please do not expect that this face wash will reduce your acne and pimples and pigmentation. So please, this is just a normal face wash and it's an affordable price and also great quality. So the next product is this Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Green Tea Moisturizer. It is formulated with green tea extract and enriched with hazel witch. As you know guys, green tea is so good for our skin and our body. But personally, I don't like this moisturizer because it does not suit on my skin. I have a really dry skin. So I think that's why it did not perform well on my skin, because I have a dry skin and it claims that it controls oil. So it has a very thin texture, that's why it does not work on my. But if you have a oily texture, please do apply. This is what it looks like. The bottle is so great, and it is so light in weight. Also the moisturizer is so lightweight, the texture is so thin, so oily girls can use this moisturizer amazingly, perfectly. If you have a dry skin, please don't go for it guys. There are so many moisturizer in Lakme also the cost of this product is like $349, but you can get discount on 50 to 20% on Nykaa as well. So check out all the products links are given in my description box, so you can check out from there too. The third product is this Lakme Absolute Hydra Pro Gel Cream. This works for my skin very well. It has thick consistency, also it has a gel formula, so obviously it works on my skin very perfectly. Also the packaging of this bottle is so cute and super pretty. I use this cream on my daily basis. As you can see the bottle, this is very pretty and very luxurious look it has. Also the texture of the cream is very smooth and consistent. It works for my dry skin very well. If you have a dry skin guys, go for it. Also it's little expensive but not so much. You can get discount on Nykaa or on Amazon. Well, you can check out. You can do your homework very well when it comes to discount, so don't worry guys. This works perfectly for my skin, and if you are a dry skin person, go for it without any ado. Go for it guys. This can be used by men and women also. So the next product is this Lakme Absolute Youth Infinity Skin Sculpting Cream. As you can see guys, the bottle look is so pretty, and look at the color. It's purple and silver. It's so contrast. I don't know about the cream. I just use this cream one time because this is like a age cream. I think the 30 plus women can use this perfectly because it lifts our face and brightens our skin. Also it has SPF 15++, which protects you from UV rays like a sunscreen. You don't have to use sunscreen after this. If you want 50++, then you can obviously. I don't think I can use this, but this is because when I use this, it only brightens my skin and it has like luminizing pearls. I have like a glitter on this cream. मेरा face ऐसा चमक रहा था जब मैंने लगाई. So I don't think this can work for me, but it has a clay texture, so it makes my skin more and more dry. So I cannot use this. It's kind of expensive. It's $850. Coming to my next product, which is Lakme Peach Milk. Everyone knows this moisturizer very well because सबके घर पे एक ना एक बार तो भी ये moisturizer आया ही है. So it's really common moisturizer and it's very amazing moisturizer. For my dry skin, it works very well. It's non-sticky. Also, it's ultra lightweight. As you can see, almost it's half. It's a huge box. Like cost rupees 350. But they have all the sizes, like from small to big. Even if you have a oily skin, you can try this because it's amazingly lightweight. Also it's non-sticky, so oily girls will not get disturbed by this moisturizer. So all types of girls and boys can try this, so it's very amazing. So the smell of this moisturizer is so soothing. The next product is this Lakme Absolute Perfect Radiance Brightening Moisturizing Serum. This is so good serum. I always use this before I apply some makeup because it gives me a glowy texture, dense vitamin E, glycerin and everything we need our skin to hydrate. So this boosts my hydration on the another level. So this is perfect for all the skin types, even oily skin type and combination and acne skin types. Girls can use this. So this is perfect for my skin. The bottle is so amazing. As you can see the cap, this is like a pumping serum. The texture is so light in weight. It costs like $9.75 for a bottle, but it's pretty worth it. This is perfectly good. Next product is this Lakme 9 to 5 Matte Moist Clay Mask. Mask has my heart because this is a so lightweight mask I ever seen. This has a very thin texture. You do not have to apply so much of it. It has a green tea and glycerin which act as a moisturizing agent, and it is like 299 rupees, so you can afford it. It removes all our dirt and impurities. Also, it removes our blackheads and the dirt we all have on our face. So this is a normal clay mask which works on all skin types. This is my best go-to clay mask I ever had. So you can go for it, guys. Everyone can use it, even boys and girls both can use it, and all skin types can use it. Please also, if you have a sensitive skin and you're scared to use it, please do a test patch on your neck or near your ears, something. Okay, so the next product is this normal Lakme 9 to 5 natural aloe vera gel. I mean, the fragrance is so amazing and it acts as a primer to me. If I don't want to use primer, I always use this aloe vera gel which act as a skin barrier between my skin and my makeup. Also, I use this every day on my daily basis because, as you know guys, I have a dry skin. I have to use this whenever I shave my face. Also, I use this amazing aloe vera gel. Also cost like 350. You can check out all the reviews and description according to your skin type. The next product is this Lakme Absolute Argan Oil Radiance Serum. This has enriched with Moroccan argan oil, which helps to nourish your skin and radiant your skin. I'm using this serum for like 1 month. It is an overnight serum. I use this serum before I go to bed. But I don't think I'm seeing any difference on my skin because it claims that it gives nourish and radiant skin, but I don't know about that. It also do not nourish my dry skin. So the type of this serum is normal to oily skin. I don't see any difference on my skin since 1 month. If you are using this and you see any difference, please let me guys know in the comment section so that I like to know. It's kind of expensive. It's for like $1,000 I think. I don't know for sure, but it didn't work for me. So I'm dropping this and I'm not using this at all. So the next product is so important for me and for you too. Lakme Sun Expert Tinted Sunscreen SPF 50++. This is amazing sunscreen I ever had in my life. Apart from Bioderma, I also love Bioderma sunscreen, but it's really costly. This is the sunscreen. It is so affordable. The range of this sunscreen depends on their size. It comes in 200 something also. This is the big size, so it's of 520. But this sunscreen is so amazing. It's good for Indian skin tone. Also, it does not make my skin looks black when I wear it on the outside. So this is so amazing. Use this before my makeup. This works amazing. This brightens up my skin, also nourishes my skin. Also, it has SPF 50++, which is great. And we all know the sun hits on us very roughly, so it's not good for our skin. So we want SPF 50++ sunscreen to protect our skin. So this is the best, guys. The texture is so thick. It does not make my skin dry. Also, it does not make my skin oily, even though sunscreens makes our skin oily even if you have a dry skin. So this does not make my skin oily. Also, the fragrance is so soothing. I tell you guys, this is the worth it product. I am promising you this product will not disappoint you. So I reviewed this sunscreen on my Instagram reels, so you can check out there too. Okay, so the last skincare product we have is the Lakme 9 to 5 Natural Aloe Vera Wipes. This is amazing. No, you all know wipes is so important when we go on a trip or we go outside. We need something like this. This is the most important thing we have in our bag. So also the Lakme wipes are so soothing. I almost use this wipes. It purely made up of aloe vera extract. It nourishes your skin purely. It deep cleanses your skin. When I go outside, I used to remove my makeup with these wipes only. I do not have any negative thoughts about this because it's my amazing go-to thing. The price of the wipes is like 150. It also comes with sizes, I think. Okay, so that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all like my video. So stay tuned for part 2, which is of makeup. I received so many makeup from Lakme too and I have to review the makeup. So please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get notified whenever I post the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please support me and hit the like button. Adios, amigos.